So we're going to replace filter. This one here is a 1 micron. So first thing you need to do is turn off the incoming water, and then the heads for this is opposite to what it would normally be. So I'm going clockwise to open it. You should have a special tool which comes with your filter. You can improvise with an Allen key as well. So that's what a dirty filter looks like, and you'll see there like the fibres are all brown and dirty. It's actually bulging in this, so I haven't seen that before. So I'll get onto the manufacturer and ask a question about how or why it would bulge. So make sure inside is clean. Put your new filter in. Check the condition of the head O-rings there. If they get loose, they'll no longer seal properly and you'll be leaking water. So apply a bit of grease. We use a sticky grease. Got to be square, you don't want to cross thread the lid. Put it on, tighten it with your tool. Doesn't have to be ridiculously tight, but obviously very firm. So we just do the last bit slowly, and then turn the water on to test. There's no leaks, so that's good.